I can do anything. I can reach any goal today. I can do what I want. I can be what I want to be.
I just got home from the Texas Fandango and I'm about to unload my bike, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I fix this up and how it works. This is my ramp, and it's actually 3 aluminum ramps that I got off of Amazon, and I drilled holes and put washers in there to get them. I needed to space them for the nuts. You see that? Oops, up there, right there, that, so that there would be space between them, but I wanted it to be pretty solid. So washers for spacers, grade 8 bolts, and it's 10 feet because my bike is lowered and it's low anyway. That way it's clears the ramp, because I learned the hard way that it's important to make sure your bike can do that, so you don't high center it halfway off a motorcycle trailer and there you are stuck till somebody comes by. The ramp stays in place after it's folded and brought up by 2 pieces of angle iron. This one is short so that I can open and close my door, and then this one is longer so that it's got more stability. I asked my engineer son, you know, what's the best way to do this so that this is really stable, and he said, you know, triangle, 90 degree, 45 degrees, and that's what I did. So I held them together with these pins and the, what are those called? Cotter pin clips or something, I don't know. Those little clips. So that one, I loosened that one up first. And then this one. And then I gotta put the camera down because the other part takes 2 hands. So here we go. I just walk it back and it's extended. I guess I could have stuck a camera on it so you could see me make faces at myself, but anyway. So there it is. I just gotta undo the bike and then slide it down. Hopefully today I'll be able to get it out of the wheel chock. I have short legs and sometimes that's a problem. I should record this. This was a good spot for me to put this one. This is note to self, because I do this and then I find a good spot and then I forget how I did it. This one I did up over there, down here, wrap around, up over here. It went over the seat, inside the thing, and out the back to the other one. Note to self. I got all the ratchet straps off and the ramp is down and ready. So I just gotta roll it back. As long as I can get it out of the chock, we'll see what happens. I just needed to concentrate without trying to also hold a camera. Go figure. So there we go. The flyer is unloaded. I'm gonna put this up. Start it like that, because these will start working their way up. A lot of people have asked me how this is put together. This is the original bus frame, which ends right down there where that last set of bolts is, because that's about where the bus stopped originally. And then there's a metal plate that is bolted to the frame, and then this angle iron underneath it, and a piece of angle iron up above, which is actually also part of the frame. So, and then the original bumper is back there bolted to this extension. You can kind of see it. Can you see the other side over there? Oh, tell if I can see it in editing. I guess I'll look then, right? So you see these two aluminum pieces that are under here. Originally I was keeping the ramps under the bus, and then I had an oil leak and the ramps under the bus were really nasty, and I decided I didn't want to do that anymore. So I fixed the permanently affixed ramp, which works quite well. I just love it. So anyway, this is some extra metal pieces that Brian Henke had laying around, and that's the original bumper. And with a whole lot of blood, sweat, and tears and hard work from Brian, and I have a really cool motorcycle transport / back deck for my bus.